It's quacky duck time.
Butterflies fun and facts.
It's quacky duck time.
Taste with their feet. Their taste sensors are located on their feet, so they stand on a leaf to instantly know if it's a good place to lay their eggs. See beyond rainbow colors. They can see ultraviolet light, which reveals patterns on flowers and other butterflies that are completely invisible to the human eye. Liquid diet with a straw. They can't chew. All their food is consumed through a long, straw-like tongue called a proboscis, which they use to drink nectar.